If you want to go return, you have to pay 5 times the price. They put you in a barrel, like in a barrel, and roll you down the hill. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Langkawi.
Can I see you there?
No, I'm here.
Good morning, Langkawi.
Good morning, Langkawi.
It's a beautiful blue sky day. Can you see blue skies? Beautiful day. Today we are setting out on some scooters to the Langkawi SkyBridge and SkyCab. Yes.
But first, breakfast.
We're gonna go look for breakfast. Our friend Jason's here, so we're gonna go see what we can grab.
We're gonna do something local. We're gonna have a local nasi lemak for breakfast this morning before we hit the site.
Nasi lemak and kaya toast?
Yes.
Yeah, Jason, that's our table there, bro. Grab the table.
Cool, come have breakfast with us.
Let's do it.
Condensed milk, actually. This one's condensed milk.
Breakfast of champions, clearly. Nasi lemak. Right, scooters, helmet, check. And we're off to the SkyCab to go check out the view of Langkawi. There you go. Hello. Yeah, we arrived at the Langkawi SkyCab section. It's actually not that busy. It's a Tuesday morning around 11. And so you can get combo tickets, but first thing you need to do is buy a ticket to actually go up. And then once you're there, you need to, if you want to go to the bridge, it's an additional 5 ringgit. There's also a little elevator that goes down that costs you a bit more. We can walk down. I'll show you how that works later. Good.
We have tickets. We got ourselves the cheapest price you can get is only 50 ringgit. 50? And that 50, it's supposed to be 55. We got the 50 ringgit one, which only gives you the SkyCab. You still have to pay another 5 to get onto the bridge, but you have to pay that cash at the top.
I thought 38.
No, that's for locals. We are unfortunately not Malaysian, so we have to pay foreigner price.
50 ringgits, but there's only one way. If you want to go return, you take a barrel and roll you down the hill.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, first obligatory green screen pose, and then we're in the queue. Here we are.
Welcome to the middle station.
Go check a view upstairs. It's like 5 degrees cooler at the middle station. We're really losing a bit of the view.
It was too hot in there, so we had to get out at the middle station and take a break. Man, the sun might be shining, but it's definitely cooler this time around.
For sure.
Top of Langkawi!
Yeah, I can't really see down there. But we're actually at the top.
We made it.
The sun comes and goes. It's a little bit crazy. Big clouds gathering around us. Not that busy at all, I'd say.
No, it's really not bad at all. Not long queues or anything like that. Good time of the year to come and visit Langkawi if you don't want to have the crowds.
No, definitely. Just keep an eye on the weather, because I think it can turn very quickly. Are we going to have a look around?
We're going to make it onto the bridge before it gets super foggy, because when it's super foggy, they close the bridge.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Guys, look. I don't want to pick my finger in. Look at that bridge! Woohoo!
Oh, nice. Get down to the little sky bridge, you either pay 10 ringgit for a ticket to take Willy Wonka's elevator.
Called the Sky Glide.
It's called the Sky Glide. Or alternatively, you walk the nature trail down some steep staircases for free. You still
So
need
guess
to,
which one we're doing?
you still need to buy the. Oh, look, down is lovely, but it's quite tall steps actually.
Engage quads.
Yeah, so you need to just watch your step.
Selfie time.
This is what it's all about
5
apparently.
years later, I get to walk across this awesome sky bridge.
Yes, because we were here 5 years ago and it was closed for construction.
So we came all the way here and we couldn't go across the bridge, but this year we are going across.
Oh no,
the
they're
bridge.
closing it.
Ha ha ha.
Quickly! Well, they actually do close it if the weather's bad, so make sure
Let's get over here quick.
if it's misty or weather's inclement, they might close it.
Okay,
It's very cool. Check it out. Ooh. Nice.
I think I'm
The Laga Toujours 7-well waterfall, or also known as 7-pothole waterfall, believe it or not. Ooh, coconut ice cream. And not sure even if there's a spot to cool down,
apparently the most beautiful waterfall in Langkawi.
as long as it's rained a bit.
They say you should come here in the monsoon season to get the best of the waterfall. Except
Monsoon?
Yes, that's really what they say.
Okay, but
Except then it's very slippery and mossy, so I'm definitely not taking that advice.
it's quite a strenuous little walk up here. I'm starting the clock now, we got 12 minutes.
And they say it takes about an hour.
12 minutes. Go! Ready?
And there's lots of monkeys here.
Awesome! I love monkeys.
We made it to the top of the stairs.
Did we?
What they don't tell you is that once you reach the top of the stairs, there's still another 10-kilometer pathway.
Really?
Well, I don't know. I see path ahead as far as I can see.
Only a few hundred meters. I know! That's a terrible idea. Don't do that at home, kids.
That was awesome, man. 7 wells waterfall. Every bit as awesome as they say.
Very cool, yeah. It's definitely well worth going up there. Water is actually surprisingly chilly.
Lovely to cool down in, and
Lots of little spots to hang out in. A little bit
Refreshing.
more slippery on the rocks, so be careful. And don't
don't
do what I
he
did.
does.
Don't do what I did. That was a bad idea. If you go down the slippery, go on your bum rather. Because
But
I'm pretty
honestly-
sure I got a bruised rib out of that little silliness.
Make sure you do climb that 600 and whatever stairs. It's well worth it. It's not such a bad climb, and it's beautiful up there.
It's late afternoon. Clouds are coming in. We're still hoping to make it to the market, the Tuesday market near Machinchang today.
So far so good. It hasn't rained on
Yeah.
us. We've had good weather.
If we don't see you later.
Thanks for joining us at the 7 Wells Waterfall. And if you're in Langkawi, be sure to stop by. This
Awesome.
one's well worthwhile.
And we'll see you next time, my friends.
Give us a like.
Bye.
Cheers.